Hey guys, welcome back to Mediocre Builds. Today we'll be showing you how to disassemble a Suburban.
There we go.
So today we're going to a car show with the Corvette, and this is our first car show, so we don't have our proper Corvette outfit yet. We got the pasty white legs, but that's about all we got so far. So we're at our local thrift store, and we're gonna see what we can find.
I think we'll get some good stuff for you. Yeah. You don't have the Hawaiian shirt, no khakis shirt, and white shoes.
Yeah. I need to get some nice white New Balance sneakers.
Yeah, we'll get you looking good.
I think we might have our shorts here. These look pretty solid, actually.
Yeah, I think those are
$3. 33 size waist. I think that'll actually fit me perfect.
Okay.
All right,
that's an option.
We got this polo by Ralph Lauren. I think the style is spot on. It's just not the full button down, which I would like a full button down. So we'll see if we can find something.
Okay. Dude, we got some options here. The flamingos, maybe?
The flamingos might be it, dude. Oh my gosh, that is the most Corvette shirt I've seen. Those are some white sneakers.
Oh, the Skechers?
How did I miss those? Those Skechers.
They look like they might be too small.
Yeah, that's not gonna fit. All right, gonna try these on, see how they look. Those are tiny. I like it. I think this is pretty Corvette.
Yeah, no, this is it for sure.
Yeah, I think this is a move. We're gonna. Yeah. I think this is what I'm gonna get.
Shoes, glasses.
Ian says he has some white sneakers at home.
They might not fit though. I got small feet.
Yeah. We'll go give those a try. If they don't fit, we'll come back and we'll get the Nikes.
Yes, sir.
Got it in the bag.
You here, buddy?
Time to go do some Corvette owner stuff. Alright, we're doing the mechanical bull. It's just like driving a Corvette, right?
Yeah.
I think so.
Go extra hard on him, okay? Go as hard as you can.
See if this thing kicks like an LS1.
Looks like a Corvette owner.
My nards! Oh man. Oh my nards.
Alright, we finished up at the car show and it was sick. Sam was freaking vet owner. But we got the Brodozer from the Diesel Brothers.
Crab walking that thing.
Crab walking that thing. Sheesh. That was sick, dude. He got a little loose. I was like, let off the throttle, bro.
I didn't think he was gonna break loose that easy. That's the rear.
Oh, yeah, that's good. love this.
They said it was okay if we tipped it. He said we've never tipped it, so if you did, we'd be impressed.
I was like, go jump.
This is crazy.
Just a normal car meet, huh?
Just a normal car meet.
Not a cool view over there.
This is just the first.
All right, guys, we're back from the car show and we're in the garage with the Corvette. We got a few things we're gonna do to get ready for the next thing.
All right, so next week, well, I guess I don't know video-wise, but next week we will be getting the car ready for a burnout competition. So we're going to be adding a brake fader to the rear brakes, and I blew the air fuel ratio sensor, so I got a new one of those. We'll get that in, try and get it a little better tuned up, and yeah, we'll be putting this thing in a burnout competition and see if we blow it up or not. So
we might blow it up, but anyways, make sure you guys subscribe. We got that coming up like later this year. We got a lot of other cool stuff coming up, so
yeah, I promise it's only gonna be better from here. Like it's been a little slow building up, but it's only gonna get better from here.
Yeah. So hey, maybe I'll buy a car soon. We'll see. Maybe.
He better buy it. He's gonna buy a car soon. Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.